Hello cyber warriors, welcome to CyberLok YouTube channel. In the last video we talked about Wazuh Central Components installation on VPS, that is Virtual Private Server, where we installed Wazuh Server, Indexer and Dashboard on a Hostinger VPS. So if you haven't watched my previous video on Wazuh VPS and introduction, make sure to check those out. Just click on the I button link above before watching this video. So this video is part 3 of the Wazuh full course series. Okay, so without further delay, let's start. So now, who is this video for? This video is for security engineers, SOC analysts, students who want to set up a home lab for practice and security purposes at home, security professionals and even common people who take security seriously in this dynamic world. Okay. So in this part, we will set up central components on-prem using Wazuh OVA, which can be directly imported into virtualization software like VMware or VirtualBox. So this OVA includes Amazon Linux 2023 distribution and pre-installed central components like Wazuh Manager, Indexer and Dashboard. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see hardware requirements of the system, where you will need 8 gigs of RAM and 50 gigs of storage for a successful installation. The download link for the OVA is provided here. Click on the link and the download will start. Wait for it to complete. Meanwhile, you can grab a coffee. As you can see, the download is complete now. For this video, we will use VirtualBox. You can also use your favorite virtualization software like VMware or other. Okay. Now open VirtualBox. Go to File, Import Appliance. Select the file location where the OVA is downloaded. Now click on Finish. Importing will start. Let's just wait for 2 minutes. Click on the machine. Go to the settings. Now go to display. Now here you have to change the graphic controller to VMSVGA. Now if you didn't change, if you use any other graphic controller, the VM screen might freeze. Okay. Because of that, we will change the graphic controller to VMSVGA. Okay. As you can see, only one configuration has to be done for the OVA file. The rest is automatically selected for us. जैसे कि RAM and the machine is set to bridge network. So it will take an IP from the host machine IP range. Okay. So everything is set now. Click on the start button. Let it run and complete the installation process. It will take some 2 minutes of time. Yeah. So now on the screen you can see the login credentials displayed. Yeah. Login with, yeah, the username is Wazuh user. The password is Wazuh. Now when you type the password, it won't be visible to you. Just type it correctly and press enter. Okay. After that, you will see the Wazuh server command line, terminal on the screen. So type hostname in the terminal. You can see the Wazuh server name displayed. Now we'll escalate privileges to the root user by typing sudo -i. Okay. Check using the whoami command. As you can see, we are now the root user. Now everything is set. You can access the Wazuh dashboard. For that you need to know the system IP. Type IP-A, note the IP of the system. So now we'll access Wazuh dashboard. Now go to the Windows host machine. Open a new browser tab and type https:// and the IP of the system and press enter. The screen will show connection is not private. Just ignore it. Ignore the warning. Okay, just click on advanced. Click on proceed. Now as you can see on the screen, the Wazuh OVA installation is successful and dashboard is displayed. Okay, now log in using username and password. And the username here is admin and the password is also admin. Okay, after that Wazuh will get initialized. So this is the Wazuh dashboard. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will install Wazuh agents on Windows, Linux and Mac. So stay tuned for the next part. I hope you found this video helpful and you learned something from it. So drop a comment, like the video and subscribe to the channel so that ये exclusive content सभी को reach हो सके. And thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Happy hacking.